Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a super easy and fun skull Halloween makeup look. Perfect for kids and using only simple things you already have at home. Let's get spooky. So guys, first make sure the face is clean and dry. Then take a bit of face powder and brush it all over. This helps the makeup stick better, and slow lightly dusting powder over the face. Next, take your white watercolor or black face paint, add a few drops of water, mix it up, and use a sponge or brush to cover the whole face in white. And this is our skull base. Now grab your black color water, paint big triangle around both eyes and fill them in completely. Then draw an upside down heart on the nose and fill that too. For the spooky skeleton smile, draw a thin black line from one corner of the mouth to another. Then add short vertical lines across it like teeth. Now let's add some fun. Use a little bit or tint or lipstick to give a soft red glow on the cheek or lip. Add the dip of lip gloss on top for shine. Totally optional but super cute. Almost done. Add a tiny bit of powder again to set the look. Now strike your best skeleton pose and say boo. You are ready for Halloween. If you liked so guys, if you liked this easy skull makeup tutorial, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe for more Halloween fun. See you in the next video. Happy hunting guys. Till then, bye, take care. Thank you for watching my video.